I know what wig wear.
You want a supermodel pose like my real friend Wynne?
Hey loves, I'm Winnie Jean. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're returning, hey girl, how you doing? Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this super thick and pretty, dare I say sexy, big and curly hair using this really cute kinky straight headband wig from Nadula hair. Today's video is sponsored by Nadula hair. I'm wearing their 26-inch kinky straight headband wig minus the headband because I wanted to go for a more like sultry natural look. And if you want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching because it's cute. You know you want to see. Let's get into it. So I have like my hair in the front twisted out of the way, and I have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, I got 8 braids in the back. So just to hold everything in back in place, I'm gonna just throw on this wig cap like so, like that. And I really been loving this hairstyle because I've been wanting to straighten my hair, but I'm trying not to like straighten it too often, so I get the like look that I want, but I only have to put a little bit of heat on my edges. And I don't use a lot of heat at all on my hair. I just pass through it once to straighten it, and then I pass through it once to put the curls in it, and I just sleep with it in pin curls to make sure that like it lasts. But I'm just running over the roots and then passing through each section one time. Because the wig is like kinky straight and not super silky, it doesn't have to be perfect at all. And I actually like to keep a little bit of texture in the roots because I feel like it helps to blend in the textures a lot better. So I'm not really pressed about getting this perfect at all. I don't know why I've been really into wigs lately. So if there's any styles that you guys want to see or any looks like that you guys would want me to recreate, definitely DM them to me on Instagram. Definitely DM them to me on Instagram because I have definitely been in the mood. So as y'all can see, we got like a little light press going on with the edges. And then because I want to wear a side part, I'm putting the comb closer to one side, and it'll just help it kind of fall better. And as you can see, there's a comb in the back as well. So I'm gonna just tuck that comb in the back. This is what it looks like so far. I actually kind of like it like this with all of the texture, but we are definitely gonna style her a little. So I'm gonna just kind of drag my finger down the middle. I had to scoot y'all back a little bit so y'all can see. So I'm gonna just start to section out small sections and curl each side. And that's how I've been wearing this hair, with like these pretty big curls. I actually did a shoot with Abrielle Apparel the other day and it came out so cute, and I was wearing this hair. I'll insert a few pictures. But now that we're curling the actual weave, I'm turning my flat iron up a little bit. I didn't want to use too much heat on my hair, but for I'm using the Babyliss irons and I'm putting it on 40. So I had it on like 25 for my hair. And how I like to style it is by only curling the ends, especially at the bottom, because I want to have as much texture in the top as possible. That's what kind of gives the hairstyle a volume, is like all of the texture in the roots. So I'm really just like curling the ends super tight. And with every section, I'm starting to curl from a little bit higher. So I probably curled like the bottom maybe 6 inches on the first section. On this one, I'm probably doing the bottom like 8 inches. Just because I want the curl to kind of fall around my face. It'll make more sense when we get to the top. But my favorite thing about this hairstyle, honestly, is that it doesn't have to be perfect. And when it like puffs out, because it's kinky straight hair, girl, it's gonna puff out just like it would, like your natural hair would. It looks so good. And it's giving very like vintagey. It's so much texture in it. And even when it gets puffy, it still holds the curl. So it's super pretty. Okay, so now that we're closer to the top, I'm actually gonna start to just do straight across sections. What have you guys been up to? How are you getting through quarantine? Is your city opening up? comment down below. I missed y'all so much. I know I took a little break, but I am back. I get so many compliments when I wear this hair. And I actually like tried, like I was gonna film with it earlier, but I literally like saw it and fell in love to the point where I just started wearing it before I even actually filmed with it. So you guys know, y'all should know I'm obsessed with this unit, because I definitely was skipping out on work, playing hooky, walking around looking all cute. Now it's time to curl the sections with our hair in them. So this is what it looks like so far, but before I comb through anything, let me stop playing. I'm gonna just give everything like a light spray with my Got To Be Glued, especially the front of my hair. Then I'm gonna grab like a little bristle brush and I'm gonna spray that, and then I'm just brushing my hair into the wig. Okay, so I'm about to do my baby hairs real quick and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much again to Nadula Hair for partnering with me. This is the best kinky straight hair I have tried, and that's saying a lot because I really like this texture. I have my own vendors for this texture of hair and I still am obsessed with this. Like I've worn this hair throughout the week. This isn't like a just out the box review. I literally saw this wig and was like, I fell in love. I started wearing it immediately. So I could have just told you I was an unboxing, but I'm gonna be honest with you. I have been wearing her, okay? In the heat, it doesn't get that little ball on your neck. It's really good quality kinky straight hair, great quality. I was nervous that the wig would be a little bit thin because it's pre-made, but when I tell you it's nice and full, it's so much hair, but not too much. It's like big and pretty and voluminous. I'm literally obsessed with this. This is a 26-inch kinky straight headband wig from Nadula Hair. The link will be down below in the description bar, as well as a coupon code if I can grab one. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure you're following me on Instagram so you can see everything first, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, loves.